Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and did you know that going to community college could be hilarious and you can make a bunch of great friends? Well, check out this comedy series called Community. It's just about that. There's a new guy, Jeff Winger, that's this very thinks he's super cool lawyer that ends up having to go to community college, and all of these misfits are all there for different reasons, and it's hilarious. It definitely has so many good laughs to it. You're gonna absolutely just fall in love with these characters for all their different weird quirks and find maybe some of them annoying, but at the end of the day, it's incredibly hilarious. This is the very first season of Community. You'll see some familiar faces. What's great about the DVDs is that there's so many special features. It has extended episodes, it has the blooper reel, it even has cast and crew commentary for every single episode, so that's pretty cool. This is definitely one of those shows that I always go back and watch over and over again. You have to start with season 1 and you're probably gonna want to binge watch it, and that's my point of view.